For today's quick tip, I'm going to attempt to solve a problem. Did you ever fix something and then say to yourself, that sure was easy, why did it take me so long? You see, whenever I come home at night, I use the side door, and it's very dark here, and it's kind of difficult to locate the lock. I'm always fiddling around with my keys, trying to find where it goes. It gets rather annoying, especially when you have to go to the bathroom. I don't have a motion sensing light here. I thought about installing one, but that would be a lot of work and I'd have to cut a hole in the wall. I don't really want to do all that. Instead, I'm going to test out this solar entryway light. I'll install it and then I'll let you know what I think. This light has a center LED panel which swivels up and down and two side panels that go up and down as well as in and out. I think the screws it comes with are just too small. I'm going to replace them with bigger panhead screws. They don't fit into the existing mounting holes, so I'm going to widen them using a drill. There, that's perfect. The directions say that the light works best when facing the south. It needs to be located where it can be in direct contact with the sunlight. I'll take some measurements to locate the center above the door. After marking the two holes, I pre-drill them. I leave them sticking out just enough so that the light will have a snug fit. The light does need about 5 hours of direct sunlight to charge the batteries. Then, I'll wait until tonight to see how it works. It is nighttime and we are headed towards the door where I installed the light. Let's see how it works. Still here. It's very dark. It's up there. Hey, look at that. I just got close. And the light went on. Very nice. It really illuminates the door. Now it should go off in about 15 seconds. Bingo. Well, that didn't take long to install at all. I think it's going to work out pretty good. It has 3 different modes. The first mode is that it turns bright when it senses motion and then stays on for 15 seconds. The second mode is it's always dim and then it turns bright with motion. Or the third mode is where it's dim all the time from dusk to dawn. It does seem to have a pretty wide range of motion for sensing, so that's really good. I think it's a pretty good deal for 25 bucks. I'll put a link in the video description if you're interested in buying one for yourself. Thanks for watching Alley Picked and today's quick tip.